guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Monda Rosario. For today's vlog is i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagkaroon ng S-Loan. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang S-Loan po is new feature ni Shopee. Ito po ay cash loan kay Shopee. So ayun, before ako mag-start, please consider subscribing para maging updated kayo sa aking mga latest video. Mamaya po i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagkaroon ng S-Loan, kung paano ko inactivate yung aking S-Loan, at syempre i-share ko din sa inyo kung magkano ang aking S-Loan credit limit. Sa ngayon, i-explain ko po muna sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang S-Loan. Meron pang dalawang klase ang S-Loan. Isa pong S-Loan for buyers at pangalawa po ay S-Loan for sellers. Ang meaning po ng S-Loan for buyers, based dito sa kanilang article, is S-Loan is a new feature where you can get fast and accessible cash loans. Eligible Shopee buyers can get access to loans at competitive interest rates with flexible options to repay in 2, 3, or 6 months. 6 months available to selected users only. Make sure to activate your S-Loan and get up to 50,000 in loans that you can withdraw and use anytime. The credit limit is based on our internal credit assessment criteria for eligible buyers. After successfully activating your S-Loan account, you may request a S-Loan withdrawal of up to the amount of your approved credit limit. Take note guys, you must activate your Shopee Pay account to be able to use S-Loan. You can withdraw a minimum of 2,500 and a maximum of 50,000 from your credit limit. So guys, ang credit limit po ng S-Loan for buyers is up to 50,000 pesos. Magagamit nyo po to sa personal use ninyo. Ito naman po ang meaning ng S-Loan for sellers, based dito sa article nila. What is S-Loan for sellers? Please note that S-Loan for sellers is currently available to select users only. To enjoy S-Loan for sellers features and benefits, please ensure that your Shopee app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. S-Loan for sellers allows you to finance your business operations. Make sure to activate your S-Loan for sellers to get up to 1 million in loans. With this feature, you can access loans with a competitive interest rate of as low as 1.5% per month with flexible options to repay in 3 or 6 months. The credit limit is based on our internal credit assessment criteria for eligible sellers. After successfully activating your S-Loan for sellers account and credit limit, you may also request a loan withdrawal of up to the amount of your approved S-Loan for sellers credit limit. You can withdraw a minimum of 10,000 and a maximum of 50,000 from your credit limit in a day. So ayun lang guys, ang S-Loan for sellers ay up to 1 million credit limit. Konti pa lang din ang meron ngayong S-Loan sa mga eligible users pa lang. So ito na guys, paano nga ba ako nagkaroon ng S-Loan? Actually biglaan lang and unexpected din dahil nagbabrowse lang ako sa Shopee noon, tapos sa notification ko may napansin ako sa finance updates. Nakalagay dito is S-Loan activation invitation. Nakalagay doon is congrats, you can now get up to 50,000 S-Loan credits for your personal use. Activate now. Ito yung picture guys, ayan. So ako, nabigla rin ako na meron na pala silang bagong feature na ganon. Which is, ang alam ko lang na pwedeng umutang sa kanila is using S-Pay Later. Meron na kasi akong S-Pay Later, kaya nagulat ako na meron na din silang S-Loan. Ayun. Ang credit limit ko sa S-Pay is 2,500, pero hindi ko gano'ng ginagamit yun. Pag ginamit niyo siya guys, umaangat ang inyong credit limit. So ako guys, nung nabasa ko agad yung S-Loan activation invitation, inactivate ko siya agad. Sa pagkakaalala ko, ang in-update ko doon is information at nag-selfie ako. Ayun lang. Sa information is, yung details lang sa'yo about sa background mo, Pero guys, dito wag kayong mag-alala kung hindi kayo employed dahil walang hinihingi payslip or COE, Certificate of Employment. Kaya okay to sa mga unemployed. Kasi wala naman akong pinasang payslip or COE. Ayun. At saka guys, kapag naka-receive kayo ng ganitong notification, alam ko sure naman na ma-approve yun. Ang activation pala ng S-Loan is after 1 working day. So ayun, naka-receive ulit ako ng notification. Ang nakalagay dito is, congratulations, your S-Loan account has been activated. Tap here to withdraw now. Activated na ang aking S-Loan. Magkano nga ba ang aking credit limit? Ang aking credit limit is 20,000. Pero hindi ko pa siya ginagamit dahil wala naman po akong paggagamitan. Maya-maya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba siya gamitin. Papakita ko rin sa inyo kung what if miram ako ng 20,000 kung magkano ang interest niya kapag babayaran ko siya ng 2, 3, or 6 months. So,
ayun guys, nandito na ako sa Daily Discover ng Shopee. Ayan. Ito siya. Ayan. Kung di nyo alam kung nasan yung S-Loan nyo, dito nyo siya makikita. Ito. Ayan. Scroll mo lang siya. Ayan. Itong finance sa pinakadulo sa baba. Dating nyo yan. Ayan. Nakikita nyo dito ay S-Pay, Later, Insurance, at S-Loan. Ayan. Pinutin natin ang S-Loan. So, meron akong 20,000. What if kapag i-withdraw ko to lahat, diba? Magkano ang kanyang interest?
reminder lang guys, make sure na updated po ang inyong Shopee Pay app dahil new feature po ito. Ayun lang guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!